Welcome to another Soul Flow class. My name is Fatima. Today we are focused on feeling grounded. A lot of high achieving women often are in survival mode. We're moving from one place to another, even if this financially security, financial stability. We're reaching out for this promotion to start this business, to maybe have this family member support us. And we're kind of all over the place, wavering and wondering and not deeply rooted in ourselves. The root chakra is around feeling safe, stable, secure. And today's practice is about helping you to come back into your body, finding your grounding, finding the safety inside of your body. Let's get started. I want you to come to the top of your mat here, and I want you to just breathe. With your legs hip width distance apart, you can gently close your eyes. And I want you to bring to mind an intention for your practice today. What actually happened during the day that you need to let go of, that is causing you to waver, wander, causing you to be even flighty? Think of that. I want you to inhale and literally exhale as if that memory or that thought of the day, you're exhaling it out through your breath. One more time. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Inhale for 4, 2, 3, 4, and then exhale. 2. On your next inhale, I want you to raise your hands towards the heavens, and I want you to clasp all of your fingers, leaving your pointer finger extended. And I want you to gently reach your arms towards the left side. You're going to feel a nice stretch in your obliques here. Nice stretch in your obliques. At the same time, I want you to exhale, feel the ground beneath you, supporting you. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale to your right for a count of 4, 2, 3, 4. And then inhale, neutral, 2, 3, 4. Exhale to your left, 2, 3, 4. And on your next inhale, coming back to neutral, I want you to now drop your hands and have them right beside you. And I want you to lift your left leg and extend it all the way to the back. You can push through the left heel and extend in your right leg, lunge in your right leg. Then gently lift your hands up to the heavens, warrior one. Drop your shoulders. Ensure, tuck your tailbone. Allow your face and jawline to drop and soften. Feel the strength in your own legs. Taking your own inhales and exhales here. Do 2 rounds for counts of 4. One more. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to switch. We're going to drop your left leg and allow your heel to be towards diagonal, towards the back of the wall. And I want you to have your arms straight out in front of you as such. Bend inside of the right knee. And I want your gaze to be softly looking over your middle right finger. Warrior 2. Breathe here. Take your counts on your own. One more. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to turn your right foot towards the front of the room. So now your legs should be wide. And I want you to take your arms and your hands, place them over your hips and begin to your chest towards the floor. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, I want you to gently bend your knees. Start to lift yourself back up to the front. And then I want you to turn and let your left leg meet your right leg. What we do on one side, we absolutely have to do on the other. Now we want to gently have your hands towards your side. I want you to extend your right leg now, pressing through that heel, arms up, shoulders down, pushing into your left leg, pressing. Feel the strength again here in your own stance. Take 2 counts of your own inhales and exhale. And on your next inhale, I want you to drop your right leg and your right ankle. And I want you to leave your left foot pointed forward, your arms extended side to your sides. And I want you to get your gaze looking over your left middle finger. Begin to push if it feels good to you. Ground even further into your left leg. Take your own set of inhales and exhales here. And on your next inhale, I want you to turn your left foot towards the front of the room. And I want you to place your hands on your hips, slight bend of the knee. Inhale, drop, and reach your chest towards the floor. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Your next inhale, gently bend your knees. Begin to lift yourself back up on top. And I want you to look towards the front of the mat and allow your right hand, your right foot to touch, to stand next to your left foot. All right. In this next pose, still standing, I want you to have your hips, your legs hip width distance apart. Place your hands behind your back, around your sacrum. I want you to feel how this can be even supportive to you. And on your next inhale, I want you to gently lean back into your own hands. You're going to feel this as a good chest opener. You're going to feel this in your biceps, a little bit in your triceps. And notice that you're going to have more balance, and allow your feet to be planted on the earth, grounded here. So although you're lifting, you're bending back, you're able to be supported. Take your own inhales and exhales here. And on your next inhale, I want you to come back up, neutral spine, hands to side, palms facing out in the receiving. And we'll take our few inhales and exhales here together. Eyes gently closed. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 2, 4. I hope you enjoyed this quick 10-minute sacral chakra, not sacral chakra, but crown chakra pose, able to help you feel grounded, hoping that you're able to find stability and security within your own body. If you're wanting to connect deeper, do all the poses and do up to 5, maybe even 10 different breaths within each of those poses to help connect further to your body. If you like this type of work, continue moving forward and check out the playlist for more videos like this.